Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation, so the second option. And as you can see here, we've got buttons and gestures. So before we'll set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to those options because here you can customize the buttons. So for example, reorder the back button and the recents. So to set the gestures, we have to simply tap on this animation, and if you wish, you can go through the tutorial, just tap on Learn, and your device will try to teach you how to use the gestures. I don't want to do it, moreover, in a second I'll show you how to use the gestures too. So instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can hide it if you wish, it's totally up to you. And here you can also customize the gestures, so for example vibration on the back, navigation, etc. And here we've got sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. Something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.